We're now inside the store settings. Now here you can add information about your store, some integrations, etc. So let's start with the first one, which is the store details. The first one is the email where you want to be notified about the order. So you can list here multiple emails with comma. And if you have a fulfillment center that they want to receive emails for every order, you can also list their email here with comma as well. Here is the information about your store. This is important for the receipts that your customers would get. So add your information of your company here. In the general area, you can select obvious things such as the currencies, the symbols, weight units, and other options here that you have. In the shipping is your shipping rules. So here you can create your shipping options. Now you can create based on price or weight range of your orders. So you can add a name, from what, in this case, price range, you add a specific payment for. So if you go, let's say, from 0 to, let's say, $100, you have $3 of shipping globally or for a specific country. And then you can have one for over $100, let's say, until $99999. You can have, let's say, a free shipping because they don't have any payment for it. So you can create this way different types of shippings that you have available for your orders. Then you have the taxes, where you can again have options for taxes based on a specific country. For example, you can be percentage based or fixed amount, applied on shipping or without the shipping, and exempt businesses from taxes if that is part of your shipping of your tax structure that you want to do. So you can create again as many as you want rules for your taxation. You can also include in the product price or exclude it. So if it is included, meaning that it will not be added on top of your of the order of the customer as an extra tax. Let's say the VAT is on top of, well, it depends if you want to include it or not inside the price of the product. So yeah, you can have and toggle here this setting. Then you have the payments. So this is obviously extremely important. So how you'll be actually collecting the payments. In this case, we have cash on delivery for this example, which is basically some instructions on how they'll be paying to you. Basically, when they receive the item to the courier, they can submit a payment. So you can add this as information here. Now here we have a lot of payment processors available. Like the biggest ones in the market. So you can enable as many as you want. Just pick the ones that you want to enable, and that's it. Pretty much adding your keys, unique keys for identifying with your account, and that would enable the payments in your checkout. So just enable the ones that you want to use. So that's pretty much it. You have some privacy policy refunded terms. Here are just options that would show inside your system checkout. So if you want to add them for a quick review by your users, you can have it here. But you can also add a checkbox inside your checkout as well as an additional field, which people would have to agree upon with your terms, whatever they are for submitting the payment. So that's pretty much what the store settings are.